You see? It's out. We gotta get it back right. So, the cost of content creation. Let's just figure it out. Just did one episode. In that episode, I had some food. The food was $13.77. I also did an unboxing. For the Zippo. We just got that. We just got that. You saw the little price tag on it. After tax, that was $25.32. So I mean, this is 9, this is 0, 1, carry the 1, it's 9. That's about 49. Nope. Hold on. 2 plus 7, that's 9. 3 plus 7, that's 10. Carry the 1. 6 plus 3, that's 9. Okay. So that's $39. And that's $39.09. Okay. That was food. And a lighter. Now I ain't get the receipt on these, but the price on the packaging right there. The price on the packaging right there. So that's $149 times 2, which is $298. Basically that's $3. So $39 plus $3, about $42. That's one episode. That's one episode. I gotta get my hair braided. That's supposed to be about $8. They might want a tip. Has that ever worked for anybody? Let me just put just a tip. Has that ever worked for anybody? Follow-up question. And then did she just really keep, or did you just go wild? Anyway. And then the other episode is supposed to be an unboxing for the merch. That's already $50 right there. Kind of expensive. I ain't even have food in the next. Are we even gonna have food in the next 2 episodes? Find out on the next time of Dragon Ball Z.